Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Otter.ai, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you transcribe a video using Otter.ai? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to transcribe a video with Otter.ai? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business like I am, it's important to repurpose your content, and by transcribing your videos using Otter.ai, you can use that transcript as maybe a blog post. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Otter.ai account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Otter.ai, and this is the home screen. So this is a test account and it's a free account. So you can actually upload up to 3 videos on just the free account. Of course, you get more access if you have a paid account, but the reason I let you know that is this is a free service. So in order to transcribe one of your videos, what you're going to do is here on the top right, you're going to click on import. Once you click on import, you want to go ahead and grab the video from your desktop that you like to transcribe. So let me go ahead and grab a video. Okay, I just grabbed a video. All right, now it's already uploaded. It's a pretty small video. So now it's transcribing right now. So you can see on my free account, I have 3 imports to transcribe a video. Okay, now it says it's done. So that took, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds. So let me go ahead and click right here, go to transcript. Okay, so here is the transcription of the entire video. So that was pretty quick, and I've read it through and it's actually really accurate. So what you can do here, once it's been transcribed, you can go click right here on summary. Okay, I went ahead and clicked on summary. So you can see it summarized the entire transcript right here. And then if you get a little bit more time, it's going to give you the insights and then an outline of the conversation or of the video that was transcribed. So if you want to go ahead and copy the summary, you can go ahead and click right there. Or if you want the transcript, click on transcript, and then you can go ahead and copy the transcript. Now, if you need to find this, once again, it's going to be here in your conversations here on the left. Click on this little paper icon. Okay, so here is the conversation right here. So this is the video transcript. So if you ever need to get back into it, you can actually just click on it. Or if you want, you can hover over it, and then you're going to see these 3 dots. Click right there, and then you can go ahead and export it. So you can export the transcript to that video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to transcribe a video using Otter.ai, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.